Hi everyone, my name is Ramanda Sari Sinabang. My student number 01011482326008.
Hello everyone, my name is Rafli Muammar. Can you call me Rafli? Tadi number 06061282227034.
Hi Rafli, how was your day?
Hi Amanda, I'm fine.
Oh yeah, Rafli, have you ever thought about how technology has changed the way we see the world?
Yeah, you mean like with smartphone and the internet?
Well, yes, but I was thinking more about how it transformed things like science and art, like astronomy and painting.
Oh, that's interesting angle. I've never really connect those two before. What 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 made you think of that?
I was reading some passages earlier, one about how astronomers used to take photos of stars with glass plates, and another about how painters use neutons and color in the 1800s.
Seriously, that sound like two totally different worlds. But no, I'm curious what the connection.
Both fields use technology to capture things people couldn't see clearly before. It is actually really cool how similar their journeys were.
All right, now you figured me hooked. Let's talk about it. Tell me more about the astronomy part, please.
Did you know that early astronomers used photographic glass plates with light sensitive coatings to collect data from telescope?
Really, that reminds me of the impression with Pincer, who also start using new technology to express themselves differently from traditional art.
The size of the plates depended on the type of telescope, and they could preserve astronomical information for years. Amazing, right?
Yeah, the impression were altered of the Red Academy Arts and they create their own exhibition in.
Even though the plates weren't efficient, they only captured a small percent of the photons. They could still produce very rich image.
And even though their painting style is first, the impression shared the goal of capturing fleeting moment and natural light.
But because the plates took a long time to expose, they weren't suitable for short exposures. That was a major drawback.
Speaking of drawback, traditional fine store was also hastily until the infects the collapse visible tin tube for oil fine.
Nowadays, astronomers use radio and X-ray telescopes that show images on screen in real time. It is so much faster and more advanced.
Actually, the fine tube made in Asia for artists work towards outdoor, helping them capture light and atmosphere directly.
They also use image processing now, converting telescope data into digital image we can enhance and study in more detail.
Impressionists also benefit from advance in chemistry, since new brighter pigment artists call out for a fresh look.
Astronomers sometimes use fast color imaging to display data invisible to the naked eye, like X-ray emissions from stars.
And choose vivid blues, green, and yellow in impression painting. Those came from the new synthetic pigment affiliate back then.
Even though those colors aren't real, they help visualize important astronomical data in a more understandable way.
Just like the color in impression what they were always realistic. but the expressed like an emotion beautifully.
The switch from physical plates to digital processing revolutionized how we study space and stars.
And the impression instruction ended up saying the world artwork thank each part to technology aids.
It's cool how scientific tools evolve, yet still rely on capturing visual information just like artists do.
Right? Whether it's true, I telescope or I canvas would seek to show how we perceive perceive it, the world around us.
Astronomical photography gave us a way to document the unseen, especially with wide field telescope.
And impression let artists document the fleeting beauty of moment, sweating cameras soulfully capture and the time.
With modern tech, we can now see invisible parts of the universe. Without it, so much would remain unknown.
Some with art without thus breakthroughs impression might never have become the movement it is today.
I love how both fields use innovation to push boundaries, science to understand more, and art to express more.
Definitely, it proves that creativity and technology aren't opposites; they work together.
Now I kind of want to visit an observatory and see real-time space image processed by computers.
And I'd love to visit an art gallery and see those smearing impressionist painting in person.
Maybe we should do both. A science and art day trip sound pretty awesome.
Totally start and restart. Watch I combo finish.
Okay, thank you guys. That's my presentation.